So we're going for a little walk in nature around my local nature reserve, but do mind where you put your feet. Do look down because there's lots of little creatures and bugs on the ground, and here's one or two caterpillars of different sorts, and we have the flora and fauna as well. So lots of different things in the hedgerow to look at and possibly photograph. And of course, when we come to the thistles, once we see thistles, then we usually see butterflies as well. So in this case, we're seeing a white admiral, so that's quite nice to see. Well, we're looking back across the Cadbury's Marsh, it's called. And as you can see, there actually isn't a lot to see. Very. If we look really hard, you can see some swans, and they have little cygnets with them as well. And then further over, we can see a heron, a very scraggy looking heron, I must say. But anyway, a heron anyway. Some swans here. Well, I did manage to catch, let's flip round. Well, we did manage to catch some marsh harriers, quite some distance, in the dead tree line, which is 600 metres away, so it's a fair distance. There's always some activity there, but it's impossible to actually get any closer. Doesn't matter which way you approach it, you cannot get any closer to that point. Here we have ducks enjoying themselves having a bath, and if you look in the foliage you can see there's a wasp, so one of the things to look out for as you walk along. Well, we're looking across the marsh there, and the tree line right across on the horizon. Got one or two shots of marsh harrier, but that's a long way away. A long way away. Right here, but yeah, it's very quiet at the moment, just here. But as I say, on the tree line, right in the distance there, we have some activity with a marsh harrier. Well, walking down, we managed to get a butterfly, and we got some youngsters on the marsh. I'm not sure what they are, possibly geese, young geese, I'm not sure, but we'll see when we get back, see if I can identify what they are. So, haven't been doing a lot so far. This hide that I'm in is called the Bempton hide. And there we are. I have taken several shots of Bemptons from this hide. Literally just in the reeds across the way there. Sometimes you see them come out the side here as well, if you're lucky. So, been a little bit of activity, but not a lot. So, we come to the end of our little walk across the marsh here, the reserve. Hope you enjoyed it. If you could give us a thumbs up, that'd be great. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. And could you please give us a thumbs up? That'd be good. And maybe subscribe as well. Much appreciated. And hopefully we will see you next time. If you subscribe, you will get notification of when the next video comes out. So many thanks for that, and bye for now.